Good day, everyone! We are the Group 4, and today we're going to show you how to label the insulator and conductor.
Before they will test, I will explain what a conductor and insulator is. A conductor is a material that allows heat and electricity to pass through easily. This is because they have electrons that move from atom to atom, which makes electricity and heat move. The materials that allow heat and electricity to pass through are copper, aluminum, silver, gold, and water. But not pure water, flavored water like tap water, seawater, and rainwater. Insulators. Insulators are materials that do not allow heat and electricity to move. This is because they hold on to their electrons tightly. For example, something like rubber, plastic, wood, glass, and ceramic. These materials are used to cover the wires of a conductor, and rubber is mostly used.